When I was in my 20s, the world felt pretty intimidating. I thought success was meant for other people, especially in a field dominated by men. But then I read a little book that completely shifted my perspective. It was like a fog around my beliefs suddenly lifted, and everything came into focus. So I took a leap with even more determination, embraced new opportunities, and built a global career that I'm proud of. And today, I believe my book can do the same for you. Imagine this. You step into a meeting ready to rally your team. You've got the data, the logic, the action plan, everything lined up perfectly. But instead of engagement, you get blank stares, half-hearted nods, and a team that's unfocused, uninspired, and unmotivated. Sounds familiar? That's because information alone doesn't move people. Stories do. In my new book, I reveal how to transform your leadership with business storytelling. You will learn why storytelling influences decisions, the neuroscience behind it, and how to craft compelling narratives that drive connection, engagement, and action. But this isn't just about presentations. It's about shifting the way you think and lead, whether you are in a high-stakes boardroom delivering a keynote or having an informal conversation in the hallway. Inside, you will get step-by-step frameworks, practical applications, real study cases, and even a guide on how to collect and catalog your own stories, so storytelling becomes second nature. If you want to inspire your team, connect with clients, and leave a lasting impact as a leader, business storytelling can be your superpower. And the best part, it's a skill you can learn, practice, and master starting today. But what if your story started on the wrong foot? What if a past mistake, a misstep, or a bad first impression is holding you back? Well, let's just say I've got a technique for that too. And inside the book, I will show you exactly how to rewrite the narrative to work in your favor. Your next chapter in leadership starts here. Get your copy today and start transforming the way you lead, one story at a time. Because this book turns global executives into success stories.